Today I want to show you guys this product. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. This is really cool, very useful device to open your mails. So you can use this as soon as there is no turn on and off button. As soon as you slide through the paper here, you will see this. It will just push it down. You can see, I hope you can see, you see the blade, it's just turning. So that is really cool. You can operate both way. So if you want to open something like this, you can see it just cuts very small portion of it and you can easily get anything from here. I just did from this side, so you can see. Let's open this one. So all you have to do, just slide through, and you can see it just slides nice and easy without cutting anything inside. That is really important. So that is pretty cool. Again, if you want to open from the side, you would just slide through, and just like that, you can see, and it has very precise cutting every single time. So if all you have to do is just tap once, you will have this gap from the top, and you will just slide through and it just glides very easily. And you can see it has really nice cut, so you don't need to worry about cutting anything inside. So that is pretty cool. Again, you can just cut anything, even if you want on the from the side, you can easily do so just like this. So very cool unit, really useful. I hope you guys found this useful.